Hi there, everybody. I'm here today to talk to you about setting the table. This is my dining room table right here. And the one thing you're going to want to need for this activity is you're going to want your set the table guide. You're going to want to print that out because you'll reference it in just a few minutes. So let's look at our first step. The first step says you need to count the people that are eating. And you can see that I have yellow arrows pointing to the fact that I'm going to set my table for 2 people. All right, you can see that step number 2 says that we need to get out 2 plates because I'm setting the table for 2 people. So here in my kitchen cabinet, we're taking out 1, 2 plates. All right, the next step, number 3, says that we need to get out 2 cups because we're setting the table for 2 people. So we're going to open the cabinet where the cups are, and we're going to take out 1 and 2 cups. All right, step number 4 says to get out 2 sets of silverware because we're setting the table for 2 people. So a set of silverware in my drawer would include 2 forks, 2 spoons, and 2 knives. All right, the next step says to get out 2 napkins because we're setting the table for 2 people. Now, in my house, I like to use cloth napkins, but you can use napkins or paper towels. I'm going to get out 1 cloth napkin, 2 cloth napkins. All right, the next step to setting the table is to get out your table setting guide. So I have mine right here for me. I'm going to lean it up over here so we can all see it. There we go. And what it's going to tell us is how to set the table. So we want to set the table like this. We're going to put our plate in the middle right here. We're going to put our napkin next to our plate and our fork next to our napkin. On this side over here, we're going to put our knife and our spoon. And then at the very top, we're going to put our cup. All right, let's take a look and see how that looks. Yep, looks just like the picture. All right, I'm going to do that on the other side of the table right now. All right, we looked at the diagram and we set up both sides of the table to look the same. So we have set the table. Let's take a look at it, make sure it's done properly. On this side of the table, we have a napkin, a fork, a knife, a spoon, and a cup. And on this side of the table, we have the same thing. A plate, a knife, a spoon, a cup, a fork, and a napkin. I would say that we set our table very neatly.